Yo, thanks for tuning in. It's grind time, prime time, till the sunshine, showtime. Let's get it. Show me the bullet, they need to get a whip.
Brand him.
It's your boy, good luck.
And if your jobs before end,
Hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe.
Well, today we are back with boys group plus one girl group. Yeah, boys plus one.
Okay.
So we are wait. In the other ones it was full girl groups.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So now it's 5 in 1. We got ZB1, we got Meow,
Okay.
Rise, Boynextdoor, and Xikers. Why didn't you guys clap for me? Today I said it like correctly.
Instead of saying Mew.
Yeah, instead of saying Mew, I said Meow.
Okay.
One time for Lane, one time. Thank you. So we're starting with Zerobaseone. It's good, so bad. By the way,
Ooh.
comments below if you guessed it right. If you wrote this song in the girl group version and you guessed it right, we're about to do this. They're starting with dynamics. Ha.
You just got to sing it now.
It's not just blunt, it's full with dynamics.
Hey.
Hey,
Hey.
let's go. Hit it.
Matthew.
Man has been hitting the gym.
Good.
Yo!
Hey.
See, Matthew.
Let's go, Godwood.
Drinking plenty of protein and oatmeal.
Man, he's muscular, I ain't gonna lie. Looks so good with it in here. Hey.
And it's gotta start to push back.
Hey. Let's go, Hunter. Hey, Ricky looks like a vampire. In the middle.
Now, Matthew just
Mr. Gilvin. Woo! That is called Kijoti. Hey! I like how they did the leg work. Woo! Full of dynamics.
too much energy. Matthew.
Hey, there goes the magnet. Hey. Tyree! Kill Tyree! This pulver keeps going up.
Oh, Mr. Rip. Rip to Matthew.
Man.
Rip.
Hey yo, give me your routine and your diet.
Nah, even if he does that, we're gonna do shit. We know you.
Wow. Look at that. Hey. Foot stomp.
Did not want it to end.
So, Matthew, bro, my respect to you.
What did they say? Wow, that was fantastic.
So
You ain't
good.
even gonna lie.
Yeah.
It's a very good way, a good time to start with this song. Like it was a very good option for us to start with this song. Made us feel with energy.
Feel good.
I love how they don't just not like how they do the footworks. They don't just walk
Stomping.
to somewhere. Like there was a they're doing Kijoti cha and then they go and all that stuff.
Yeah, with the dynamics.
Then they got don't even start.
I think you need to explain again what dynamics means because
Okay.
people are going to be
Are confused.
Like, what's up
Okay,
with the
dynamics. Alright. If you didn't watch
And
the
where it
last
came
video,
from?
we say that we were watching Street Woman Fighter, and we just discovered like the choreographers, they got dynamics. They do dynamics in their choreographies. Like they're not just like this. they're going that way.
They switch.
That song is coming, they're switching,
Like
they're
not
doing
only in
that.
the center,
Not only in the center like this, they're dancing ja 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 ja. No,
or
They're
in
not
the
stuck.
line.
yeah, they're not
Yeah.
like in one line. They're going, and then this group like had the most dynamics to watch today. One is going, the line, the front line is going down, the up line like this, and then they're going like that, and then they're changing like a lot of
Okay.
dynamics.
We get
in
you,
this.
bro.
Dynamics.
Yeah, and we
Yeah.
just discovered like I don't know why, but because of that show, it like helped us to
Now
discover
we notice it
more.
more.
Yeah, now we're noticing it more. Before we used to notice. Now we're appreciating it more. Like
Okay.
we're noticing like almost all groups that debuted, they're so professional with the dance and choreographies. They all have dynamics in their songs, so it's very actually amazing. Yeah, if you didn't know where that
Okay.
comes. By the way, this might be a good promo, so make sure you go to Patreon and watch with us stream on Fighter. We're already in like episode 7 or 8, so make sure you join right there. All right, so we're going to Meow now.
Okay.
Dance practice of what song? Meow. Let's go.
Meow,
That
but
dynamic. Let's go.
this video is so good.
Clean.
You can tell it's soundproof.
Hey.
It's like underground or something.
Wow,
Okay.
love that fun.
I can see it from here, girl.
Swing. Hey. Yeah. Woo. Let's go. Man. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Hey. Let's
It's
go.
not like, what's that hand style again?
Jerk.
Yeah,
Do the
do
jerk.
the jerk.
Wow.
Do the jerk.
Fire.
Black label. We're
Fire.
waiting for Isna.
Man.
But shout out to Meow.
Like he's by the way, to clear that they're not from Black Label. He's not.
Really?
He's not. Yeah, it was another. They said it in the comments. Go read the comments. They said like Isna was just. I think it was the same guy. Teddy was somehow. It was somehow
Involved
like
in it.
involved in it, but it was a different label. Just forgot.
Oh, so I'll take my words back. man.
Yeah.
Take it back.
Wow. You know they don't look like the 5th generation.
For sure, man.
They just got one song, bro. Look how they
know,
look.
it's
How
one
good
song.
they look. They just got Meow. And look how good they are, man. For sure, you know what? The future is K-pop. I feel like
Just bright.
like in the upcoming years, maybe not few, maybe not many, but in the upcoming years, you're gonna need K-pop to buy milk. You're gonna need to sing K-pop. Like, yeah. Alright, here's your milk stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be that beat. Mark my words. You know? Read the dates and come back to this after 10 years. You'll see. People going everywhere. Everywhere is playing K-pop. Like, all other genres, they have to go. Only K-pop's gonna remain. Because the future is K-pop. Because they're working so hard, man. Like, you can see the members of, like, K-pop
group.
Yeah. The ones they keep debuting. And imagine back in the days, watch that video. They said in a year it debuts more than, I don't know if it's 100 or thousands of group in 1 year.
Huh?
By that time, and only like few of them make it.
Yeah.
When the year ends, some of them disband. Most of them disband. So that was that time. But as time keeps on going, we keep seeing a lot of groups. So the number keeps on like being 2 times, maybe 3 times. That's what I'm saying. Like later, the music is going to be dominated with K-pop. Even the people who pretend like they don't like K-pop, you just like K-pop because they will bring that fake flavor, to the world, and you hear it. Some people just don't know K-pop is good because they're ignorant, but when they just hear it, that's when, like when they bring it in MTV or something, and they be like, oh, this is fire. It's over for all those people, man. Because we got rappers, we got everyone in this. And now they're singing in English too. Hey, that's what I'm saying. The future is K-pop, guys. You'll see. Because now we even have a lot of English groups which are based on K-pop. Katsai, XG, they sing not English, but they sing in English. XG is based on Japan, but they sing in English. You get what I'm saying, right? Yeah. So we're going to the third one. Lucky by Rise. Lucky dance practice.
It's making look easy for sure.
There's one move they were like playing basketball.
The thing with K-pop, man, they make it look easy until you try.
Yeah.
I don't want
You're
to
gonna
try.
break your bone.
I don't want to try. Because if I do, they're going to call me on the phone. Hey, yo, come join the K-pop scene.
Oh, okay. You don't do it then, please.
Lucky you.
That's my name, though.
Always walk with luck.
Well.
Fire song right there. Fire song, fire dynamics, fire for real.
Use that one everywhere.
Let's jump to Boynextdoor, Dangerous.
Just only 10 minutes.
This is movie version, right?
Just dancing quietly.
Alright. Come on. I think she's.
No.
Please don't tell mommy and daddy.
Their dances are always fun.
For sure. And like, were they talking to the fans there? When they picked them and like, come here, see us dancing, and then fell down. And
Yeah.
that was like a fun, right?
Yeah.
Maybe this is a fun, not fun but fun what? Dance practice? Might be. By the way, you can never leave the word dynamics. When you talk about dynamics, Boynextdoor has to be
We shall
B&B.
suffer with this one.
I'm just noticing all groups, man, has dynamics. And we're even going to Xikers.
More dynamic thing.
Let me try to delete that word from my head. Because I know Xikers is going to have more than dynamics.
5 minutes.
It's going to have more than dynamics here. Xikers, they're doing which? Fixed version. When it's fixed, they are.
Okay.
They oh. Hey, I told you! I told you!
They got the planet.
How did they become so many? I don't know.
They were all like
This is mega choreography. Mega crew.
shake it. Oh, wow. Like that. Shake it.
Haha, do it to the toes.
Wow.
Yeah, whips. Oh, they're so professional. That's for real.
Yo.
Hey.
Hey.
The synchronization! This is too much for my eyes!
And the way they lost. Ooh.
Damn! Hey, yo, Xikers.
Oh my god.
What more?
Xikers.
You can watch it on repeat
Which?
and not get tired of it.
Hey. Which one is this?
Which one is it?
Which one is this? What do you mean is this?
Aye.
What do you mean that?
Waiting the watch.
What do you mean that? What did we just watch?
Waiting.
Eh?
Like
That was like they did some witchcraft. That's not dancing. That's some witchcraft. How did they? Trust me, this is some witchcraft. Cause like they all have black.
Mm.
You know the black color they say is what? Cause like maybe they did an illusion to our eyes. Cause like how can they jump together with the dancers and like do the synchronized move with more than like 20 persons in that room?
Dynamics.
Oh,
So,
dynamics.
the dynamics.
They use another thing called mega Q. You know, we have a lot of words there. We learn from 17. Street woman fight. You know, my head has a lot of like things. That's like 1 million things thinking.
1 million.
1 million.
This
Hey.
1 million. Ah! Give it up!
Your head is
I didn't see the guy. It's like 1 million, bro. It has a million things thinking. Like what?
It's bouncing everywhere.
They use dynamics. They use mega crew. Are they a fan of street woman fight or what? All I can say is Xikers, man. You got a bright future ahead of you.
I swear.
Ah la la. So this is how the performance is going to be.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see the performance of which. I really can't. So that was fire for sure. Let us know what was your favorite. Even though you're already, from our reaction, I think you can already see what was our favorite. We would like to keep it to ourselves, but we want to hear your point of view. Let's chat in the comments. Let's see what was your favorite on this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure you stay safe and stay tuned to watch more than 11. Peace out.